What's up, Facebook, TikTok, YouTube, and everybody else? It's your favorite YouTuber in the world, Mr. Bama Ballistics, with a little automotive how-to video. You ever been going down the highway and your hood starts doing this? Well, I'm going to show you how to fix that today for $10 or less. It's this right here, more than likely. It's called a hood stop buffer. Now, you see how that one's screwed all the way down almost, and that one ain't? I've unscrewed this one multiple times. Something's wrong with it. I think it's stripped out in the back. But I went ahead and grabbed one at Pull Aparts. That's what it looks like out of the car. And it's not that hard to change. I think you got to unscrew this all the way. May not have to, but I'm going to do it anyway. I'm going to pause this while I'm doing it. And once you get it unscrewed, it just clips in. You reach in this hole right here and push pretty hard. And you can just pop that out. I'm about to do it with my other hand though, so give me a second. Well, that wasn't so hard. But anyway, take your new one, stick it right there in that hole, and just bloop, down in place. And screw it down to taste. See, this one is way snug, way tighter than the other one ever dared to be. So I believe that's what happened. I believe the threads wore out from the vibration. But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and adjust that and get back with you. And I screwed it down to about the same height as that one, but apparently it wasn't enough, or it was actually too much, so I'm gonna unscrew it. Just a few rounds, and try this hood again. Now it's a little high. I went 5 rounds, so 2.5 down should be enough. And voila, perfect. Body lines match and everything. But anyway, that's how you do it. Y'all take it easy, have fun, be safe.